What should you look for when buying used wedges? Have you ever wondered what to consider when purchasing used golf wedges? It can be tricky, but knowing what to look for can make all the difference in your game. Let's break it down into key factors that will help you make a smart choice. First off, the condition of the wedge is vital. Pay close attention to the grooves on the club face. These grooves create friction, which is essential for generating spin and control on your shots. Over time, grooves can wear down, leading to less consistent performance. If the grooves are heavily worn or damaged, you might struggle with spin and accuracy, especially in wet conditions or from rough lies. So always check the grooves before making a purchase. Next, consider the loft of the wedge. Wedges come in various lofts, which affect how high and far the ball travels. When adding a used wedge to your set, ensure the loft fits well with your existing clubs. Ideally, there should be about a 4-degree difference between wedges to avoid large gaps in distance coverage. This helps you cover all necessary shot types without missing critical yardages. Another important factor is the bounce angle. Bounce refers to the angle between the leading edge and the lowest point of the sole. This angle influences how the wedge interacts with the turf or sand. Higher bounce is better for softer conditions, while lower bounce works well on firmer surfaces. Make sure to check the bounce angle to match your typical course conditions and swing style. You should also look at the shaft length and flex. These elements affect how the wedge feels and performs. The shaft should be appropriate for your height and swing speed. If the used wedge has a shaft that differs from your current set, you might need to adjust or replace it for better consistency and comfort. Brand and model are also worth considering. Some brands are known for their quality and performance, such as Titleist, Cleveland, Mizuno, and TaylorMade. Buying a used wedge from a reputable brand can be a safer choice, but always verify the condition regardless of the brand. Finally, if possible, try to test the wedge before buying. If you are purchasing online, choose sellers who provide detailed condition descriptions and have return policies. This way, you can reduce the risk of ending up with a wedge that does not meet your expectations. When buying used wedges, focus on the condition, groove wear, loft, bounce angle, shaft length, and brand. These factors will help you find a wedge that enhances your short game and fits your needs.